learn how to use chroma in Viva Video. So first we will go to Viva Video apps. And then my drops, and then create. So first we will find our background. No, not this one, not this background, this background. So we will delete this one. So this is the background, and then I will have to mute this one. Then I will add some. Okay, so I will add now the video that you want to be presented. Okay, and then I will just turn off the volume, and then I will use now the chroma picker. Okay, and then I will adjust the intensity. So now I have wait, okay, much better. And then after that I will add music, and then use my music, search, use. So this one. So we'll try to play now. You can edit it later, or you can save it now. But if you want to save, so you can just click save, and if you want to add some clips for later, so you can just save and exit. And this one. On your online class. Thank you. Bye.